how strict are the absences requirements for citizenship applications? This is a really common question I get, regardless of where an applicant is in their immigration journey. It's always important to have this in mind because citizenship is obviously the last stage, but absences are assessed throughout either a 5-year or 3-year period, depending on if you're married to a British citizen. So it's always good to have an eye on this throughout. Now, the requirements are quite straightforward. If you are not married to a British citizen, you are relying on a 5-year period. If you're married to a British citizen, you're relying on a 3-year period. So in the 5-year period, you must not have had absences over 450 days in that 5-year period, or if relying on a 3-year period, it must be no more than 270 days. For both kinds of applications, you also need to meet the threshold of no more than 90 days in the last 12 months. So clients often travel for work, students might have semesters abroad or placements abroad. So even if you're not currently thinking of naturalizing, it's good to have an eye on this. The requirements I noted there are the Home Office set limits, but there are ways to exceed these and still succeed. Some absences can be disregarded altogether, and some absences, if you're slightly over, you can still succeed. So it's always best to get advice. Even if you think you've done your research and you don't think you meet the requirements, get in touch and we can see if we can do something about it. Our details are online or on the page right now.